During CNC cutting, small parts are highly prone to kickback or shifting, which can damage the surface, break the tool, and interrupt production. Woodsoft Optimizers solves this problem with an intelligent anti-kickback algorithm. Small parts are cut first, large parts are cut later. The tool starts from the area farthest from the board center and gradually moves inward, keeping the material stable and significantly reducing vibration. For long bar-shaped parts, small parts, curved parts, or hollow components, the software analyzes the risk of kickback and can perform a two-stage cut to enhance safety. In particular, when cutting a part, the system lowers the tool from the inner corner and moves diagonally outward at a slow speed to create a holding bridge that keeps the part attached to the board. After that, the tool continues cutting normally. The small remaining tab keeps the part secure and is removed completely with a slow, safe finishing cut. The result is a clean, smooth edge with no shifting, chipping, or part detachment. A rare feature among panel cutting software is combined cutting mode. In this mode, shared edges between rectangular parts are cut only once, saving 20% to 40% of total cutting time. The system uses a zigzag plunge pattern, reducing cutting force, preventing part movement, and minimizing board vibration throughout the machining process. Woodsoft Optimizers. Faster cutting, no part kickback.